All right, today we're going to show you a great way to use ChatGPT on your phone using the app, using voice chat mode. So the first thing you do is you're going to open up your chat app right here. You're going to notice at the bottom right, you have two icons. One is a little wave file icon, and one is a headphone icon. If you hit headphone, you'll see the circle come completely into focus, and then you can start talking to ChatGPT. Hey, ChatGPT, how are you? Give me an encouraging word for today.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Our systems are experiencing heavy load. Please try again later.
Okay, it's later. Give me an encouraging word.
You've got this, Wes. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Keep pushing forward, and remember, your dedication and hard work will pay off. Keep shining.
All right, so when you hit the X, then it X's out and you have everything that was said to you in written form. If you go to your desktop and you go to the browser, you get that same chat that you had with your phone as long as you're logged in the same account on your desktop browser. So a great way to use chat while you drive. I use it like a therapist, thought partner while I'm driving just to brainstorm. And I have everything written down and you can just say, hey, summarize our conversation. It's so helpful. Use voice mode. Keyboards are for the ducks, birds. Peace out.